Guys, so we got everything apart, which you might have saw in the last video, but we're going to be talking about some stuff here today when you get your transmission apart and you're doing a clutch. So I've got the clutch here, which it looks okay. It probably would still have some grip on it, but you can see here there's some wear, and also it looks like it was sitting or it got water in here somehow. So obviously that's going to need to be replaced. Go ahead and look at this machine surface here, and you can see where that has got some rust as well, and it almost looks like a clutch sat there on there for a while. And the flywheel is the same, but that's at the machine shop right now. So come over here to the rear main side of the motor, and you can see I got my bolts there. One of the things you want to do is probably try to clean up as much of this gunk and grime as you can, because when you get all this apart, one of the things you should do is replace this seal right here. That's the rear main seal, because if you don't replace it, it's kind of skipping a step that you might not be able to do again unless you pull the whole transmission. So you already got the transmission out, might as well do that. And I've got that sitting over here in the gasket kit. One of the other things I like to do is I like to come over here to the transmission input shaft, and I like to spin it, listen for noises. I like to grab it and shake it and make sure there's no input shaft play. And you can also come over here to your clutch fork. This one actually lifts up and down, but some of them, they push in and out. And you can move this, and you can see the bearing there. And then this one's also got a spring here to return. So with this, when you replace your clutch, you should get a new one of these. And then this, you can just probably lubricate this, make sure it's all clean. And this transmission's not even really that bad on the inside. I also like to look at the axle seals. So when you pull a transmission apart, you pull the CVs out, sometimes these get damaged. So come over here, you got two of them. It's also good to clean those up before you put it all back together. Make sure you don't have dirt and debris in there. And then I'll be filling this up with new fluid as well, which it takes 10W30. This is a older Honda, before the 90s. A lot of them, that's how they were. So basically I like to try to go through here and just inspect everything, look at everything, and replace anything that, if you can do it now and it's convenient, do it. And so, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and do the rear main. I'm going to do the oil pan. I'm probably going to replace the distributor seal here. I'm pretty sure I'm going to take this off because of the carb conversion, so these seals will be replaced. And then I've got, right over here, I've got a whole hose kit, all brand new. And that's all ready to go on, so we'll be replacing all those as well. That's pretty much it though, guys. I just kind of wanted to go over some of that stuff with you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.